In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and manage your customers list in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating your customer records, adding new contacts, and updating details when something changes, all without breaking your workflow. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and look to the left panel. Find the section labeled Customers and Leads. Click that, and then open the Customers tab. This is your main customer hub. Here, you'll see a list of everyone whose information you've saved in QuickBooks. Depending on your setup, you may see columns like customer name, balance, and contact info. Think of this area as your command center for customer data. Everything starts here. To add a new customer, head to the top right of the page and click New Customer. A form will open where you can enter details. Take a moment to add what matters most to your business, such as the customer's full name or company name, a primary email, a billing address, and any helpful notes like payment terms or tax preferences. If you use display names or unique identifiers, keep them consistent so your list stays clean and searchable. Accuracy here pays off later. Correct contact details mean invoices and reminders go to the right place, and your reports will be more reliable. Once you've entered the information you need, click Save. That's it. Your new customer is now part of your list. You'll see them appear alongside your existing customers, ready to be selected the next time you create an invoice, estimate, or receive a payment. If you need to edit a customer's details, start from the same Customers tab. Click on the customer you want to update from the list to open their profile. Then, in the top right, click Edit. Make your changes. Maybe the company moved, a contact number changed, or you want to update terms, and review everything for accuracy. When you're done, click Save Again to lock in those updates. Keeping this information current helps prevent billing issues and ensures your communication stays professional and timely. A few best practices as you manage your list. Avoid duplicates by checking if a customer already exists before adding them. Keep notes concise but useful, and establish a naming convention that your team can follow. Small habits like these keep your QuickBooks data consistent and easy to maintain over time. That's all you need to add new customers, edit existing ones, and confidently manage your customers list in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you work through your own setup.